In this tutorial, we are going to cover Reader Autofill. What Reader Autofill does is it replaces the reader lines audio in your scene automatically. Uh, how it works is you or your reader record only the reader lines from your sides or scene in one complete take, making sure to pause for a few seconds before speaking each line. Now, we can review the lines to autofill that are in the scene. These are the reader lines that are automatically loaded up. We can choose to not fill them with audio or select just one of them to fill. Now we have some options. We can import the Reader audio from an audio file that our uh, reader made for us, or we can go ahead and record them directly ourselves. In this case, we are going to import Reader audio. We're going to select the Reader file. Now, the audio is matched automatically. We can review.
Was the audition for a guest star or recurring role? Congratulations, that's great.
Here, everything looks great. So we will tap Apply All Matches and Save. Now we have the option to go ahead and rehearse now or cancel. In this case, let's see how our rehearsal will go. It will say Director Called Action.
Okay, ready, and action.
Was the audition for a guest star or recurring role?
Now we will say our line actor Q is listening for. It was for recurring.
Congratulations, that's great.
And then we can choose to do another take or go back to the editor by simply saying Director Call Cut.
Okay, and we cut.
Now, what if we wanted to record reader audio? In the case of you're waiting on your reader to record the audio themselves and send it back to you, and you want to just go ahead and rehearse quickly. So in this case, we will just click Record Reader Audio. Now, the instructions are pretty straightforward here. We record only the reader lines in the scene, pausing for at least 1 second before saying each reader line block. Only one complete read through. So we will tap Record Reader Audio. And now the reader lines, for ease of use, are already in front of us in this block. We can also close this and review the script. And we will bring this back up so we can toggle the reader lines on or off. We'll go ahead and record. Was the audition for a guest star or a recurring role? Congratulations, that's great. Now we can go in and preview or we can hit save. Was the audition for a guest star or a recurring role? Congratulations, that's great. Now that we like it, we'll go ahead and tap Save. Here we can review again. Everything looks great. Tap Apply All Matches and Save. Now we can go ahead and rehearse with the newly replaced lines. Start the scene by saying Director Call Action.
Okay, ready, and action.
Was the audition for a guest star or a recurring role? It was for recurring. Congratulations, that's great. Thanks. Now we can choose to do another take, or we can simply stop the scene and go back to the line editor. In this case, we will stop the scene. Director Call Cut.